Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're journeying back in time to ancient Greece, to a place that has stood as a symbol of Western civilization for over 2.5 millennia. We're talking, of course, about the magnificent Acropolis of Athens. So grab your virtual passport, and let's explore the incredible story of this rocky citadel. The word Acropolis literally means high city in Greek, and it's a fitting name. Towering over the modern city of Athens, this limestone hill has been inhabited for thousands of years. The earliest signs of human settlement date all the way back to the Neolithic period, around the 4th millennium BC, long before it became the site of grand temples. It was a fortified residence for early kings, a natural fortress protecting its people. But the Acropolis we recognize today truly began to take shape in the 5th century BC, during the Golden Age of Athens. This was a period of incredible cultural, political, and artistic flourishing, all under the guidance of a visionary statesman named Pericles. After the Persians had sacked Athens in 480 BC, leaving the previous structures on the Acropolis in ruins, Pericles launched one of the most ambitious and iconic building projects in human history. His goal was not just to rebuild, but to create a lasting monument to the glory of Athens and its democratic ideals. The grand entrance to this sacred precinct is the Propylaea. Imagine walking through these monumental gates in ancient times, designed by the architect Menesicles. It was a breathtaking transition from the everyday world into a realm of the gods. Its marble columns and intricate design were meant to impress and humble visitors, setting the stage for the wonders that lay within. Even in its current state, you can feel the sheer grandeur of its original design. Just to the right of the Propylaea stands the small, elegant Temple of Athena Nike. Nike, in Greek, means victory. This beautiful little temple, with its delicate Ionic columns, was dedicated to the goddess of victory, celebrating the Athenians' hopes for success in their long-running war with Sparta. It's a jewel box of a building, perfectly proportioned and adorned with friezes depicting mythological and historical battles. It's a powerful statement of Athenian resilience and ambition, packed into a compact and graceful form. And then, there's the Erechtheion. This temple is one of the most unusual and complex buildings of ancient Greece. Unlike the symmetrical Parthenon, the Erechtheion was built on uneven ground and had to incorporate several ancient cult sites. It was dedicated to both Athena and Poseidon, who, according to myth, competed for the patronage of the city. The most famous feature of the Erechtheion is undoubtedly the Porch of the Maidens, where 6 statues of young women, known as Caryatids, serve as supporting columns. These aren't just pillars, they are masterpieces of sculpture, each one subtly different, lending an air of serene and lifelike elegance to the structure. Of course, the undisputed crown jewel of the Acropolis is the Parthenon, dedicated to Athena Parthenis, or Athena the Virgin. This colossal temple is considered the pinnacle of Doric architecture, designed by the architects Erechtheion and Caryatids, with a sculptural program overseen by the legendary The Parthenon was more than just a temple. It was a treasury, a work of art, and a powerful symbol of Athenian power and wisdom. What makes the Parthenon so special? It's all about the details. The architects used incredible optical refinements to achieve an illusion of perfect harmony. The columns bulge slightly in the medial, a technique called antithesis to make them appear straight from a distance. The stylobate, the platform on which the columns stand, curves slightly upwards in the center to counteract the illusion of sagging. These subtle adjustments make the building feel alive, dynamic, and visually perfect. Inside the Parthenon once stood a massive, 40-foot-tall statue of Athena, crafted by Phidias from gold and ivory. Can you imagine the awe-inspiring sight of that statue, glimmering in the dim light of the temple? Sadly, it was lost to history, but its legend lives on. The exterior was lavishly decorated with sculptures depicting scenes from Greek mythology, including the birth of Athena and her contest with Poseidon. Many of these sculptures, known as the Elgin marbles, are now housed in the British Museum, a subject of ongoing controversy. The story of the Acropolis doesn't end with the ancient Greeks. Over the centuries, it has served many purposes. The Parthenon itself was converted into a Christian church in the 6th century, then into a mosque after the Ottoman conquest in the 15th century. A minaret was even added to it. The Erechtheion was used as a harem for the Turkish governor. Tragically, in 1687, during a war between the Venetians and the Ottomans, the Parthenon, which was being used to store gunpowder, suffered a massive explosion. This blast destroyed much of the central part of the building, causing the irreparable damage we see today. Despite its turbulent history of war, earthquakes, and transformation, the Acropolis has endured. In the 19th century, after Greece gained its independence, a massive restoration project began. Archaeologists and conservationists have been working ever since to preserve these magnificent structures, piecing together fragments and protecting the marble from modern pollution. Visiting the Acropolis today is a powerful experience. It's a direct link to the minds that laid the foundations of democracy, philosophy, and art. It's a testament to human creativity and aspiration. A story written in stone that continues to inspire millions. As you stand on that sacred hill, with the sprawling city of Athens below, you can't help but feel the weight of history and the enduring spirit of human achievement. The Acropolis is not just a collection of ancient ruins. It is a living symbol of the ideals and the genius of a civilization that has shaped our world. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey to the Acropolis of Athens. I hope you found it as fascinating as I do. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. Let me know in the comments below which historical site you'd like us to explore next. Until then, stay curious.